We're making vegetables, potatoes, and chicken.
Alright. Here we go. Okay, so what are we gonna do first? Why don't we work on the potatoes? So we have to stick forks in the potatoes. Make a bunch of holes in them. Here you go. Be careful doing that, right, buddy?
Yeah.
And we're back. What are we doing now?
Now we're moving this and then move for you. So let's start. First you put it on. Then you have one side round, then another side, and then that's how you do it. And it stays in the same position.
Alright, wrap the other one.
So we put the oven to 400 degrees. Yeah.
We're gonna put them in the oven, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now Daddy's gonna do this because that's very dangerous. Porky chop. So we're gonna put them right on
I'm just gonna drop them. That's how I do it. I just drop the potatoes on.
And those ones, we're gonna leave in there for anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour.
Okay, guys, we're putting the chicken bacon, the bag.
Alright, here it comes. Hold the bag open. Alright.
Oh, it
So
smells
now-
good.
We're gonna put each piece in there and you're gonna shake it. You're gonna close the bag and shake it around. So close the bag really good. Shake it around. Alright, now we're gonna take it out. And well, first, Daddy's gonna put some coconut oil on the pan. So it doesn't stick.
I'm shaking and running and dancing in the center.
Alright, okay, bring it over here, bud. Okay, bring it over here.
So I bring the chicken into the bag.
Okay, put your arm in there again. And put it on.
So fluffy.
So fluffy. Alright, now we're gonna do this again. Might as well just pick up another piece of chicken and put it in there. I think today we're gonna cook about 6 pieces of chicken.
Oh, so slimy.
It's like, there you go.
It's all
Alright, okay,
good.
let's put that one up here now.
It's all good.
Get it out of there.
Yeah, that was so fluffy.
It's easier if you hold it by the top first. That works too. There you go. Alright, now we're gonna check in when we're done all 6 of them.
So guys, do you want to know about one rule about chicken bake? It's when you touch it and it's raw, don't lick it off your fingers or else you'll get chicken sickness. Yeah.
called salmonella.
Actually, salmon.
Yeah, salmonella. You were correct. It is on raw chicken. So we just washed our hands, right?
Yeah.
And now we're gonna put the chicken. How many pieces did we end up doing? Because we didn't do 6. We ended up doing more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, we did
8.
8. So we're gonna put that in the oven for how long?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's 7 fingers. There's 8 fingers. There you go.
This is how much we put in.
We're gonna put it in for 40 minutes, right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll check in with you later.
Okay, we're gonna put these guys in there. Okay,
What are those guys? What are they?
vegetables. Let's put one in.
Vegetables? Oh, we gotta be careful.
So what are you
Alright,
doing?
I'm gonna do it. Hunter opened the veggies after smooshing
Yeah.
them a little bit. Kind of opened them in a weird spot, so Daddy's gonna do it. Because we don't want to get burns, right?
Yeah. I am.
Ouch. See, Daddy got a little. This is not the way to do it. Usually we open it from a different side, and it works way better than this.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Veggies, and we were gonna cook them.
I'm zooming
Sometimes
in.
it's till they start floating. These particular ones say to cook for 6 or 7 minutes.
I am zooming into your hand. So guys, what is this? All this stuff? Dinner. Yeah,
That's right.
it's dinner.
Hunter cooked me dinner. Thank you.
And I cooked myself dinner and my dad self.
That's right. Thanks, buddy. There we go. Nice work. We were out of sour cream, though, weren't we? Don't lick it. What are you doing? You're a weirdo.